Everyone, I am going fishing today. Hello everyone, we are at Cassiobury Park. You can come here and have so much fun, but you need to come with your
Chest wader.
Chest wader. See, look at these. I couldn't eat that leaf.
Look at this boy. Where's your net, darling? Grab your net. Take your net.
Come, let's go there. Aryan, come, let's go there.
What you
I
got?
got something heavy.
You got something heavy? It's full of rock.
It's full of rocks and I don't know what's in the rocks.
It's full of rock. Come.
I found a water bug.
Picture.
Wow.
Take.
Come.
Bring it closer, bring it closer.
You got a water bug?
Yes.
Oh. There is the water bug.
Here.
Oh, yes.
Am I correct?
Wow. Look
What
at
is
that.
it? What is it?
Water bug. Akhlaaq. Bunny. What are you looking at?
Oh wow. I scooped some stone.
You scoop some stone.
I'm about to catch a leaf.
What's in there? What you got? Ooh, it's just stones. It's just stone. What you got, Akhlaaq? Oh.
I got a leaf.
Look what
Whoa.
I found.
Look at it. Look at the fish.
Whoa! What is it?
Look at that.
Oh, I want to know you have it.
Oh.
Oh, you catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it.
I got it. Ah, I think I got it.
Got it?
Ah, I think I got it. I got a red one.
Whoa! Show me.
I got a crab claw. I think it's from a dead crab. I'm gonna throw it again.
Yeah, you can throw it again. Bye bye, crab claw.
It went splash.
Yeah.
Thanks for my net. I've got
Whoa.
something.
What you got? What you got?
I've got something.
What you got, darling? Let me see.
Cook. I used my net to catch a leaf. Look at this, Daddy. Let me get the jellyfish.
You get it. Come here, quickly.
And there's a whale, blue whale. We're gonna catch the blue whale. We're gonna catch the jellyfish. Oh.
God's looking out to sea. Got it.
Scoop Akhlaaq.
I got the blue whale.
Oh. Yay.
Ah.
And what you got there, darling? What you got there?
Ow. Get.
What you got there?
What is that?
It
What
says
is
the
in it?
blue whale.
You saved the blue whale.
What is it?
Okay.
What is it, Akhlaaq?
Ah. It's a
Squid.
Jellyfish.
That's not squid. That's jellyfish, boy.
I caught it.
Ooh, and I found another crab over there.
What?
Ooh, look at the crab.
I'm going to. I caught it.
What you got there?
I got the crab.
Whoa.
It's a red crab.
Take your boats.
Boat. Right, I'll give you boat.
Here's the milk. Rocket pig. Now we should drop our boat and then I'll hold the city. Then the boat will go.
Well done. Let's have fun. Oh.
What happened to your boat? Your boat is full of.
Let's see whose boat is going faster.
Okay, ready?
Hello.
And hold it.
Oh, hold on to the string. Hold on to the string. Hold on to the string.
Okay, ready?
Uh-oh.
This is gonna bad me.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
This is a flood. You How about it? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Whoa, that's a lovely anchor.
You want to do an anchor for baby this one?
Akhlaaq.
Oh yeah. Anchor it please. Anchor baby this boat. With a different rope. With a different rope.
Whoa. Yeah, see, very good.